Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to compare two exceptional applications, namely TextMe and Nextplus. Well, many of you here may already be familiar with both of these applications, as both of the TextMe and the Nextplus applications are one of the market leaders in the field of virtual numbers. Just remember, in this video we're not only going to just compare both the applications, but we'll also suggest you some fixes on their sign up problems and errors. So guys, watch this video until the end. Do not skip any part of this video so you get all the information about both these applications and you choose which is best suitable for you or your business and for your work. So now guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go hit the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. And now recently there's a good news for you people. The thing is that we have now enabled monetization in our channel, which makes you guys which actually allows you to join as a member in our channel. You'll find the join button near to the subscribe button in our channel. So please go consider clicking on the join button and taking a look at our perks first. And if you're interested, just go join it. It's completely your wish. But if you join, you'd get personalized help from me in all your sign up problems, fixing, and all your technical solution doubts. If you have any doubts, you can just hit me up if you join as a member, and you'd also get few more exclusive member-only videos and priority reply to comments. For more information, I have posted a separate video on this, and this video's link is going to be available in the description and the first comment, so please go take a look at it. I guarantee you that before quitting this video, if you go take a look at the comment section, the pinned comment will contain a lot of important videos which will help you in your technical journey. Now guys, let's just not waste any more time and let's just straightly dive into the comparison video. First of all, if we take TextMe application, this application's user interface is actually pretty good. Okay, just you need to keep remember one separate. In this video I'm just going to compare both the applications and I'm not going to give you the exact reviews. So if you want to learn about the in-depth reviews of both these applications, then there are other two videos which shows you the TextMe review of 2023 and the Nextplus application review. So guys, both of these videos link is going to be available in the description and the first comment. Again, please go take a look at it, and even if it's not, the videos links are not available in the description and the first comment, please go take a look at these videos inside my channel. First of all, the good thing is, if we just consider the availability, both of these applications are available in the Google Play Store. And if we take TextMe, it has a 3.8 star review out of 479k reviews. It has over 10 million plus downloads just in the Google Play Store alone. I don't know about the information in Apple Store. Well, take a look at the user interface. And the features are written above the images. Unlimited text and calls to US and Canada. Well, not only US and Canada, all the North American countries, which starts with the +1. Your own real phone number, share photos, videos, stickers and more. Low cost international calls, multiple numbers, voicemail and more. Yeah. Well, if you have taken a look at the TextMe application, there is actually a catch in this. You just do not get everything for free. The main thing why they are providing such benefits with such good user interface is that you would have already guessed it, yeah? TextMe application is actually a paid application. It's not a free application like the Nextplus application. Well, you heard me right. The Nextplus application is actually a free application which will give you all of the features. I mean, not up to the standards of these features and its quality, but still they give you all of these features entirely for free. Now if we take a look at the Nextplus application, Nextplus is actually a secondary application of the TextPlus application. TextPlus has over 50 million plus downloads just in the Google Play Store and over 5 to 10 million plus downloads in the Apple Store. Me personally, for making social media accounts such as WhatsApp and Telegram, I use the Nextplus application or the TextPlus application. Well, the reason is because out of all the free virtual number providing applications, this application has the least bit of errors, and you'd get or obtain a number very easily, and with which you can solve all the WhatsApp errors. I mean, there are actually mainly two errors which you may face when using your virtual numbers in WhatsApp. One is this error, that is not a valid mobile number, and the next would be we couldn't send an SMS to your number, please check your number and try again in 1 hour. Both of these errors are actually solvable but the most easily solvable numbers are obtained via the TextPlus or Nextplus application. If you want to learn how to solve the errors which occurs in the social media applications such as WhatsApp, then yes, there is a video for that too. I have a video for everything in my channel. Go take a look at it. Now, if you take a look at the errors, usually when you obtain a number in the Nextplus application, you would receive this screenshot and saying that you have obtained a number successfully, etc. But nowadays, because of a certain 2023 update, you are or you will be unable to obtain a number, and you receive an error like this. Oops, something went wrong. Please check your connection and try again. Well, yes, this error is actually solvable, but if you want to learn how to solve the error, you would have to, muster some patience, and you would have to, put in some hard work. But if you're ready to put in the hard work and use an application for free, then you can solve the errors. If you want to learn the in-depth review on the hands-on solution to solve the errors, then please take a look at this video, Nextplus error solution. This video's link, I'll try to post it in the description and the first comment. If it's not available, like told before, go take a look at it in my channel. If I'm going to take or tell you about the errors which is occurring or which actually occurred in the TextMe application, well, to be honest, there are no errors. Well, the reason is simple, because it's a paid application, and there is a lot less user base compared to the Nextplus application. That's the reason why the TextMe application has fewer errors and more higher quality, of call. But well, if we take a look at the Nextplus application, it has a 3.7 stars out of 128k reviews, and it has over 10 million plus downloads, the same as the TextMe application, but it's the secondary application of the TextPlus application, while TextPlus has the same 3.7 stars but over 50 million plus downloads. That's the only difference. Well guys, take a look at the features. I already showed you the user interface in the real application which I'm using, but if you want to still take a look at the images, well, and the user interface of Nextplus application, it has the same user interface as the TextPlus application. There is no change. Even in the theme, there is no difference. This is the actual user interface of the Nextplus application, and the features are listed out here. They would allow you to choose your own local phone number. They would give you unlimited free calling and free texting. Well, actually, this is fake. You would have to watch a lot of advertisements to earn credits. Well, credits are something which you earn. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, there are a lot of annoying advertisements, and as you can see, I have 2 credits in my balance, and I earn the 2 credits by watching a rewarded video. $0.02 represents 2 credits, so that means $0.01 represents 1 credit. So if you are able to put in a lot of work and watch a lot of videos, then you would get unlimited free calling and texting. But if you do not want unlimited free calling and texting, and you just are using the mobile number for social media accounts such as WhatsApp and Telegram, then this application is the best application. Well, obviously, for cold calling, there are a lot of other best applications. I posted the videos list and links in. I already made a separate video on that. Videos is going to be available inside my channel. Please go take a look at it by searching for cold calling. Now, if you take a look at the other features, group messaging, MMS, voicemail, favorites, stickers and gifts and cutouts, games and chat activities, voice messages, use on all devices, everything for free. Well, these are the features they listed out. So if we want to conclude my comparison between both applications, I have something very important to tell to you guys. Well, if you are ready to pay and use, then TextMe obviously has the better features. But if you are not ready to pay and you want to use the application entirely for free, you are just a random teenager or someone who only uses it for the social media stuffs, then you can choose the Nextplus application. But if you want to use it for cold calling, then for cold calling I do not recommend the TextPlus or Nextplus applications. For cold calling, you can try other good applications which are free, but free applications do not provide that good of a call quality. For example, if you are comparing Google Voice along with the Nextplus, then Google Voice call quality is obviously going to be a lot higher. The same stands for the TextMe application. If you compare the TextMe's call quality along with the call quality of the Nextplus application, obviously TextMe has better call quality. Well, the only benefit which you have in the Nextplus application over the TextPlus application is that Nextplus has Wi-Fi calling, while TextPlus doesn't have Wi-Fi calling. That's the only difference between the two applications of the same company. Well, it's for another later video. But for this video, if you're comparing the TextMe and the Nextplus application, both has very good user interfaces. One is blue themed, one is green themed. So it all depends on your color choosing. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If this was helpful to you, then please go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And if you did enjoy this video, like I told before, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. And guys, like I told before, make sure to take a look at the perks which we provide in our channel. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, let's meet again in the next video. Until then, it's me Surya Prakash signing off. Bye.